The handguard is made out of two proof technologies. One of these technologies is how we look on the surface of the working area and how we detect a hand. This is made mainly by the AI software, but also by two cameras. We have these cameras over the saw blade, so we have a camera in the front looking like a cone here on the sliding table. We have a camera on the back side looking on the machine table. Both together make a security area where we can detect a hand and where we can analyze the difference between the hand position and the saw blade. The both cameras have communication together. That means if camera 1 sees my hand and camera 2 has to see the same picture. If one day maybe one camera is broken or there is dust on the lens, you get a direct reaction from handguard, and that means the green light is not coming, so you are not allowed to cut. After 60 minutes you get an advice here on the control that something happens with the system. So Altendorf makes this handguard system redundant.